In this video, we'll create a plate. First, add a 8-vertex circle. Tab into Edit mode. F to add a face. Numpad 1 for front view. Press E plus Z to extrude 0.2 meters on the Z-axis. With the face selected, press I to inset a couple of times. Keypad 3, for face selection mode, select the middle face and add a grid fill. Now select the bottom face and inset a few times. Select the top grid faces. Numpad 1 for front view, Option or Alt plus Z, for X-ray view. Press G plus Z and move the faces down. Then E plus Z and extrude down. Add a grid fill for the bottom face as well. Option or Alt plus Z, for X-ray view. With the bottom faces selected, press G plus Z and move the cursor up. Keypad 2, for edge selection mode. G plus Z and move the mouse up to create an angle. Add a loop cut at the bottom with Ctrl or Command plus R. With the loop selected, press Numpad 1 for front view. G plus Z and move the edge to create a curvature. Add another loop cut and scale it down as shown here. Keypad 3 for face select. Then, Option or Alt plus click to select outer faces on the top. Press E plus Z and extrude up slightly to create an outer edge. Now tab into Object mode. Add a Level 3 Subdivision Surface modifier. Right-click the object and shade smooth. The plate is almost complete. Tab into Edit mode. Keypad 2 for edge select. Select both the top inner edges. Ctrl or Command plus B to add a bevel with 2 segments. Add bevel to the 2 top outer edges as well. Just 1 segment for these edges. Switch to Material Preview. The plate looks fine. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.